Scheduling part 2. Get your guest's Gmail address and go to your Google Calendar and create an appointment there where you can put your guest's email address and save it. Once you do that, your guest receives the reminder and the confirmation for your interview. So before 15 minutes to the actual event, your guest is going to get an automatic reminder as well. So you can use this tool very effectively and very efficiently so that you are being reminded for the interview and your guest is also being reminded of the interview. So make sure to use Google Calendar as a reminder tool for yourself and for the guest as well. If they don't have a Gmail address, you can provide them with the Yahoo address or Hotmail address as well, because they are going to get the calendar event in their email. Thank you.